back to the new video. This is me Namrata. Hope you all are doing fine, and in case you are new on my channel, then thanks for stopping by my video. I upload video every week, mostly related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle, DIYs, or even product reviews. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to share with you 6 most effective ways to use coconut oil. And yeah, I know what you're thinking right now. Why am I even sharing this, right? Because more or less everyone know how to use coconut oil, but trust me guys, these are the particular ways I've been using coconut oil since quite a long time, and that really helped me in some different ways. So thought of sharing with you guys. Hope you would found this video helpful. Then don't forget to like this video, and now without doing any further ado, let's get started.
So coconut oil as a body oil, which I've been following since my childhood. You can use coconut oil before bath regardless of season or weather. In fact, you can use a thin layer of it right after taking bath. In case if you have extra dry skin, it would keep your skin baby soft throughout the day. This is what I've been doing since last few months, and it made shaving real quick for me. It helps to glide the razor easily, and it moisturizes the skin at the same time, and also eliminates razor burn, but it might work in different ways. So always do patch test in small section of your body. And yeah, I know you can barely see any hair. Yes, I do have very thin hair, so honestly I don't really shave very often, but it really works. And here number 3 is more like a universal truth. We all know coconut oil works wonderful this way, so I thought of sharing a quick DIY to boost the efficiency of coconut oil. Add a pinch of kalanji powder or kalo jeera powder in a teaspoon of coconut oil. Warm it up and massage all over the scalp and hair, and this would stimulate the hair growth as well as reduce hair fall and dandruff. I keep any hair oil for 2 hours and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner.
It's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go into the
And here is something interesting I found recently, and you might have noticed I've got severe acne attack lately, which is under control right now. But I believe this method actually stopped coming back of the cystic acne. So what it actually does, it moisturizes the skin from the core, clean up all the dirt, but the most important part is taking the heat in from a damp towel. You can mix few drops of tea tree oil into the water and then wet the towel and take the heat in through the towel, and that will kill all the bacteria inside of your skin pores, which results in cure for most of the skin problems, right? And even if you have oily skin, you can happily go for this method. And if you want to know in more details, please check on the description box below. And as I have combination skin, I didn't feel comfortable having this oil on my face for rest of the night, so I used the everyday scrub plus cleanser to get rid of excess oil, followed by toning and moisturizing. Now you can make something fun and natural beauty product out of coconut oil. Take any shade of pink or red colored lipstick, make sure that's old enough, and simply melt off everything together, and you can store it in any airtight container. And as a bonus, it helps to fade away any kind of scars or pigmentation, and also moisturizing. So I would highly recommend this to all the dry skin beauties. You girls would definitely love it.
turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it
And here is the last one, coconut oil as makeup remover. I also have a video of DIY makeup remover wipes where I used coconut oil as a primary ingredients. You just need to apply the oil all over the places you have makeup on and wait for a minute or two, then wipe off with any cotton wipes. I had none around me while I was filming this video, so I picked a simple paper towel, and that too worked pretty well. Next, you can wash your face simply with lukewarm water or use a mild cleanser to get rid of excess oil. So this is it for today's video. Hope you find this helpful, and please let me know in the comment below if you want me to make this kind of video more often. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.